Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is December 30th. It's supposed to be 79 today. It's like 75 now. I got a jacket on though, because it's just feels a little cool. This says 73, but I bet this thing's like 4 or 5 degrees over, so it's probably like 70 right now. But it's supposed to be 79 today. So I'm out on the Spyder. Been riding the Goldwing a lot. I love the Goldwing, but I like the Spyder too. The only thing bad about the Spyder, if you're on grooved roads that the tires make grooves, it tosses you all over the place. Unless you put the rear tire in the groove, then you're okay. This guy's been following me since 34. Wish he'd go home already. But it's a great day. I hope everyone had a great Christmas. Geez, tomorrow's New Year's Eve already. I haven't seen my grandkids but one day on Christmas Day, and I think we're going to have them overnight tomorrow night on a New Year's Day, just so they can, my son and daughter-in-law can do what they want to do, get time away from their kids. We miss them. But it's been nice to have some time off from the daycare. Spend a lot of time in my shop just on the computer. What a nice day though. I'm on well, you don't know where I'm at, but I'm on a little highway going east. Pretty nice. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Well, hello there, YouTube. This is downtown Sulphur Springs. It was so pretty. Look at these trees with all the decorations on it, and this main street is just awesome. I came here one other time, and it was so pretty. I forgot what those trees are called. We got a couple of them back. Look how pretty this main street is. It's thin, but look at this. Look at all the Christmas ornaments. Magnolia trees, that's what they are. These are big ones, though. We got small ones. Look at all the shops are open. Ooh, it smells good down here, too. I smell food. It's a cool little town. Yeah, Cybertruck, those things are ugly. Oh, look at the square. It's pretty cool. I gotta drive around the square. Oh, look at the nice brick roads, too. These are newer brick roads. I'll go drive back down that road again. Oop. Geez, I guess I don't get to go. Oh, got a cool old building. I wonder if that's a courthouse. And busy downtown though. I hear music. That's a cool bit. Looks like a pink granite, like the Austin Capitol. What a cool place. Go through here again. This is the coolest little town. It smelled so good too. There's restaurants all over down here. Look at that cool building there. Somebody lives up there. Oh, it smells so good. Man, there are restaurants everywhere. Look at it up there too. It's the coolest little town. I could live here. Too far away from my grandkids though. Such a cool place. Bah.